From habit to healing, the daily ritual that transformed my confidence. I used to think I needed more discipline, more productivity, but what I really needed was a moment to feel again. Today marks something so beautiful. This is the 50th episode of the Essential Wellness Podcast, and whether this is your first listen or your 50th, I want to thank you for being part of this sacred space. What started with a single moment of self-care has become a movement, and we're just getting started. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell for notifications so you never miss a moment of inspiration, insight, or a wellness win. So, welcome to the Essential Wellness Podcast with Jenice Story, where we don't chase the glow, we return to it. So, there was a time when I was constantly moving. I am a wife, a mother, a daughter, a nurse, a coach, a creator, always giving, guiding, and showing up for everyone, everywhere. And one night, I got home and I realized that I just hadn't felt anything all day. No anger, no joy, not even exhaustion, just like literally nothing. I was going through the motions. I washed my face, brushed my teeth, and I grabbed my lip butter scrub like I always do. Quick disclaimer, the information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. As a nurse, I'm sharing general wellness information and not providing medical advice. Please consult with a healthcare provider for any health concerns. As an aromatherapist, I am providing information about the use of essential oils. Please consult with a qualified aromatherapist before using essential oils, especially if you are pregnant, nursing, have any health concerns, conditions, or if you are new to essential oils. Essential oils should always be diluted appropriately before application, and always perform a patch test before any new product usage. This is the travel size. My finger is clean, and I've been waiting all day to put this on. So I grabbed my lip butter scrub like I always do, but this time I paused, I slowed down, and I breathed in the lavender. I felt the peppermint tingle, and for the first time that day, I exhaled a real breath, a soul breath. The kind that says, there you are, I missed you. Getting a little emotional. But in that moment, it wasn't just about skincare, it was about a ritual. And it brought me back to myself. So, as a nurse, we teach others, our patients. I'm a school nurse also, so we teach students to, take care of themselves, slow down, and use the tools. But we usually don't take our own advice, right? We educate, but we forget to apply. And I realized that day I needed to ritualize care and not just recommend it. So habits are helpful, but rituals are healing because rituals involve intention, breath, and emotion. And that's when the lip ritual was born, not just for dry lips, but for overwhelmed hearts. So here's what the lip ritual looks like. The L, we are going to layer the scrub softly across our lips with those yummy butters, and then we infuse. Infuse the moment with a deep breath and let those oils, the peppermint, frankincense, and lavender, work their magic. And then, of course, we have the P. Pamper yourself with presence. No rush and no rinse. So let's do this together. Close your eyes and inhale. Say, I am soft. I am safe. I am enough. And exhale. And let your lips be a reminder. You don't need to speak to be powerful, and you don't need to push to be productive. You're worthy of care simply because you exist. So we live in a world that glorifies hustle, but healing comes from the pause, from the daily ritual, from giving yourself what you keep giving others. So this ritual isn't about beauty. It's about coming home to your body. It's about showing up for your nervous system. And it's about remembering that you matter daily. So who is this for? This is for all my nurses out there who forget that they are human. This is for all the moms out there who haven't exhaled in days. This is for all the women out there who smile but feel nothing inside. And this is also for men who are quietly listening and want to give something meaningful, or maybe need to heal something in yourself. So you're all welcome here. You're all worthy of the ritual. You don't need a vacation. You don't need a new planner. You need a moment. And if that moment happens during your lip care, then let it. Make it sacred and make it yours. Do you want to start your own ritual? Download the free glow guide with a purchase of the lip butter scrub. And of course, you can shop online at AJ's Infusions. So definitely hit that like button, subscribe for more so you never miss a glow ritual. And you've just listened to AJ's Infusions Essential Wellness Podcast with Jenice Story. And until next time, infuse your day with presence and peace. You're safe to soften, and you're safe to glow.
Don't forget to tap subscribe and share this ritual with someone who needs a pause today. Looking for more than a podcast? Explore daily rituals, free downloads, and our full collection at AJ's EO Infusions. And for exclusive glow tips, head to our newsletter, AJ's Glow Notes. You've made it to 50 with us. Thank you for being part of this movement. Now, let's make the next 50 even softer. I'll see you next time.